In today's video, we're sharing our favorite IKEA sofas of the year. So if you're thinking about getting a new IKEA sofa and need help with your purchase decision, this is the right video for you. We've based this ranking on 4 different criteria, all leading up to our top picks of this year. In the 5th spot is the Soderham. It certainly comes close to being one of the most comfortable IKEA sofas. That's why it has earned a spot in our top IKEA sofas for this year. It's a lot more suitable for a casual family room due to its deep seating. But a major plus point for this range is how it looks. It's pretty unique compared to the traditional sofa styles we see from IKEA. This collection is modular, so you can just go with the regular 3-seater with or without armrests and build up to the sectional of your dreams if you have a big space. Next is number 4. As the couch that is known to have ended the Karlstad in 2015, the Landscrona had big shoes to fill, and we think it did a pretty good job at it. Although it's not as affordable as the Karlstad, one look at this couch will let you know it conveys some visual punch, especially in golden brown leather. With great comfort and an included chase to sink into for nap time, it's easy to see why the Landscrona has won the hearts of so many IKEA fans, us included. If you're looking for Landscrona in the US, you will find it better known as the Marabou, which has slightly different dimensions, but is practically the same thing. Number 3 on the list this year. The classic round arm design makes the Ekkop a hit among those who want a traditional style. But it's clearly popular with relaxed, modern farmhouse homes. The slip-covered style with the long skirt and corner pleats play a big part in how the sofa is perceived as a more classic option. If you're watching from the US, please note that unlike IKEA stores in other countries, the Ekkop has been replaced by the Upland. In the 2nd spot is the Frahetin. After the massively popular Manstad sofa was discontinued, a few models with similar mechanisms rose up to fill the void in our hearts. The one that has lasted through the years and came out on top was the Frahetin. Even though it's not the most comfortable IKEA sofa, it definitely earns its points for its versatility as a sectional sofa, the roomy storage compartment, and the pull-out bed that can transform your sofa into a double bed for guests. Last but not least, still dominating our number 1 spot this year is the Vimla, and for many good reasons. Firstly, it looks great. The look is timeless and never gets old, so it works well for almost any living space. A quick test of this sofa will make you realize it's super comfy. To top it off, it's very practical, because the ottoman and chase come with storage and each part can be easily combined together to form a giant sectional. If you're about to hit your nearest IKEA store, here's a pro tip. If you love a particular sofa model, but not the fabrics and colors it comes in, you can actually buy the sofa naked or unslip-covered. And to create the look that you want, consider having a custom slipcover made for your new sofa. To find out how, check out the links below. So, did you agree with our list? And which sofa did you decide to get and why? Let us know in the comments below.